Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to distribute rows and columns consistently in Google Docs. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in Google Docs. Here is one of my table of which rows and columns are not distributed consistently. For that, all you need to do is I'll select one row and right click. Over here you can see distribute rows. Click on this and you can see all the rows are consistently distributed. Also, I'll select one column, right click and select these distribute columns. And you can see our table looks consistently distributed. So in this way we can distribute rows and columns consistently or table symmetry in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.